Yo, so I can see vlog current status. This is the life of a London session trader. All I want to do right now is show you guys the quick trade I just got in. Let's get started. I'm about to get in GU because we got this double top right here, and then we have a bearish engulfing right here on top of it being a middle of a lower high. Then we have this big indecision candle right here that tries to break 1.36 again. We had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then 8, 9. About 10 times it tried to break 136. It cannot. So I do have GU coming down here to this trend line and most likely to retest this cycle level and create this double bottom right here before potentially pushing higher. So we are on our live account and I'm going to sell. Now I'm gonna do two different ones. So sell. I highly doubt it just comes back up and just hits here again. There's no point in doing so. And my experience from what I've seen price come all the way down or even come midway down before continuing up to create like a wick. I believe GU over the next 2 months will get up here back to this mid level at 1.375. So quick update. So we're only at 130 right now. It was just up 200, which is all good. It's just simple retracement. The goal is for this candlestick to close in the next hour, very, very strong, so that we can get another one and then a follow-up that pulls up. So over the next, it's gonna be like a 3 or 4 hour thing before we get an actual lower high. Update on this trade, we are up 650. We actually were up around 730 to 750, but price is retracing. So I think I'm gonna close just so I can go to sleep because I'm so tired right now. I'll probably close both. I'm just checking back in, probably, I wanna say 45 to an hour after I closed. Yeah, 'cause it's a whole new candlestick running 2-hour time frame. So we've gotten this candlestick, this bounce up this trend line, and then a new candlestick up here. This is why I closed when it was down here. I knew this was supposed to be my first take profit. It was either this is the first and this is the second. But once it got here, I just decided to take all of it because I was very, very tired. We got a 30 pip retracement up. That would have dug into a lot of my profits and I'd probably only be up maybe $100 right now because price now can come all the way back up, which is what I anticipate. But if it does decide to come back down, yeah, I'll just get in right here and do a whole another trade. So it's a win-win for me. This is the before and after of what a trader usually goes through, whether they make a whole lot of money or a little bit of money or mid-sized money, whatever it may be. And you may ask, well, how did you know how to get out? You don't. It's just all an experience thing. It's all in your gut. So there was no bar replay. There was no hindsight. Like, this is literally on TradingView, which is my broker's connected because you have a regulated broker. My Forex.com broker's connected. 2022 is gonna be insane, man. I'm gonna stop talking. I'll holla at y'all.